Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi yassir wa la tuassir wa tammim bil khair. Rabbi zidni ilma. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope all of you are in good health and iman. Students, today we are going to start our lecture number 8. So welcome to the online classes. Grab your books. Today we will do our second part of lesson number 11, which is obviously tenses, and we will do present and past continuous. Our objectives are definitions, formations, drill, and most important, translation. So let's start our tenses. We will start with present continuous tense, which is the second type of all types of the present tense. And we will do 3 types of sentences of the continuous present tense, which is simple, negative, and interrogative. Let's start with the examples. मेरी माँ खाना बना रही है. My mother is cooking food. आज कल हम इम्तिहान की तैयारी कर रहे हैं. Nowadays, we are preparing for examination. ट्रेन सीटी नहीं बजा रही है. The train is not whistling. क्या वो क्लास में ऊँग रहा है? Is he dozing in class? क्या सारा आटा गूंद रही है? Is Sara kneading the dough? Okay, let's have a look on the Urdu translation and focus on the last 2 words of the Urdu translation, and they are रही है, रहे हैं, बजा रही है, रहा है, रही है. रही, रहे, रही, raha, and rahi is showing that this action is in continuity. This action is continue. And hai is showing that this action is happening in present. So, by guessing that, you will write the present continuous tense in the English translation of these Urdu sentences. Okay, come to the English translation. My mother is cooking food. Here, you will see 2 verbs. One is the helping verb, which is, and the other is the main verb, which is cooking. In the second example, you will see again 2 verbs. Are is the helping verb, and preparing is the main verb, which is in the first form with ing. In the third again, is the helping verb, and whistling is the main verb with ing. In the fourth, helping verb came in the first. Why it came in the first? We will learn in the formations. Dozing is the main verb, which is in first form with ing. In the last example, again is come in the first as a helping verb, and kneading is the main verb. Okay, so in some example, you will see is as the helping verb, and in the second example, you will see that are is the helping verb. So why is that so? It is because of the situation of the subject. If your subject is singular, like my mother, your helping verb will be is. If your helping verb is plural, like we, then you will put are as a helping verb. In all other examples, you will see is because the train, he, and Sarah are the singular subjects. Okay, let's move to the breakdown of one example. My mother is cooking food. मेरी माँ खाना बना रही है. रही है. This will show that action is happening right now, which means in present. Okay, let's further break down the example. My mother in this example is a subject. Then is will be what? Yes, helping verb. Cooking is the first form of verb and it came with an ing. And food will be what? Yes, it will be the object of the sentence. So this is the complete breakdown of a sentence which has the tense present continuous. So what will be its definition? Present indefinite shows the action or work that is happening in present. So here are 3 rules for the helping verbs. If your subject is personal pronoun I, then you will put helping verb am. If your subject is plural or you, then you will put helping verb are. And if your subject is singular, you will put is before the first form of verb plus ing. Okay, now we will analyze 3 types of sentences of present continuous, which are simple sentence, then negative sentence, and then interrogative sentence. Let's move to the simple sentence first. Again, the same example. My mother is cooking food. मेरी माँ खाना बना रही है. My will be subject in the formation. Subject will come first in this sentence. Then you will put helping verb is. Then cooking will be verb plus ing. And food will be the object. So this is the formation of the simple sentence. Now moving to the negative sentence. The train is not whistling. Its Urdu translation is train सीटी नहीं बजा रही है. The train is the subject plus is the helping verb. Not. Not will come in the verb, in between the verb and the helping verb. Like this. And then in the last, in this example, there is a verb plus ing with no object. Moving to the next one. Simple interrogative sentence. Is Sarah kneading the dough? क्या सारा आटा गूंद रही है? Okay, so in interrogative sentences, helping verb comes first. Is will be the helping verb. Sarah is the subject of the sentence. Kneading is the main verb, which is in first form with ing. And the dough will be the object of the sentence. Okay, let's have a look on the formation altogether. Simple. Subject plus helping verb is, am, are according to the situation of the subject. Then verb plus ing in the last object. Negative. Subject plus helping verb is, am, are plus not in between helping verb and the main verb plus ing and object. Interrogative. Helping verb is, am, are. Helping verb will come first in interrogative, then subject, then verb plus ing plus object.